a tradition that has shaped our organization for generations. This induction ceremony represents more than just adding names to our roster, but it's about continuing a legacy of excellence that has defined us from the beginning. Our newly elected officers, I say, embrace this moment. Let us fuel your passion and drive you to new heights. The path ahead may challenge you. Keep in mind, you have an organization who will support you and ready to lift you up. Your induction today is not an end, but beginning. A beginning of new leadership, new opportunities, and new achievement. To our new members, welcome and congratulations. We are honored to have you to join us. Together, let me write the next chapter of our shared story. To our outgoing 2024 IIEE NWR CSA executive officers, board of directors, and coordinators, I would like to express my heartfelt gratitude for the hard work and dedication. Our guidance and energy and enthusiasm has been invaluable. We have been a tremendous asset, tireless effort and commitment, and we are grateful for our services. The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does things. He is one that guides people to do the greatest things. In a quotation from our famous Roland Goethe. Once again, enjoy especially to our sports fest and year-end party. God bless everyone and mabuhay IIEE. Thank you.
Thank you so much for the heartwarming opening remarks, Master Emil C. Almeida. Now, service can be established in a routine of the day's work, where many opportunities arise to help others. A willingness to work for the benefit of those in need without monetary compensation or public recognition is the quality we seek and promote in this organization. This organization committed to volunteering our time and talents to the creation of a better tomorrow. At this time, we will now proceed to the Institute of Integrated Electrical Engineers of the Philippines Incorporated Northwestern Region Chapter, Saudi Arabia. Officers, 2024 Discharging of Responsibilities by Engineer Pete S. Villa, 2023 Chapter President. Let's give him a round of applause.
Thank you, sir. Am I audible? Hello. Good evening, everyone. By the authority and power vested upon me through our IIE and WRCSA Constitution and bylaws, I do hereby declare from this day that you have been discharged from your duties and responsibilities as 2024 Executive Officers, Board of Directors, Staff, and District Coordinators. Thank you very much. May take ko pala.
Okay, may I call here on stage the 2024 chapter officers, executive officers, the president, Mr. Eli C. Ganachal, PEE, our engineer Eli C. Ganachal, president, and Master Ramil C. Almeida, our Vice President of Internal Affairs. And the Vice President of External Affairs, we have Engineer Herbert B. Antupan. Yes, on vacation. And our Vice President Technical Affairs, Mr. Engineer Joseph Alan O. Bautista. And our Secretary, Engineer Marcelina E. Rodelas.
Yun pala yun.
Treasurer, Engineer Renato M. Oscar. Engineer Jimuel S. Madarcos. Auditor. In our Board of Directors, we have Nehemias G. Baniki, PEE, and Engineer Thomas Paul I. Torres. Yeah, via Zoom. Engineer Sunny Moore Bautista. And Engineer Renato R. Herediano. And immediate former President, Engineer Pete S. Williams. Our Executive Secretary, Engineer Rolando R. Lucto. And our Business Manager, Anthony B. Agnola. And Master Roberto D. Viana, the Coordinator Area 1. And Master Nestor R. Nacionales, Coordinator Area 2. And Master Brian M. Cafe, the Coordinator Area. And our Public Relations Officer, Engineer Erwin C. Villa Hermosa. Let's give them a round of applause. Once again, may I call Engineer Pete S. Villa, our 2023 Chapter President, for the discharging of responsibilities.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. To the 2024 chapter officers, I congratulate you for the job well done. And again, I will say this, by the authority and power vested upon me through our IIE and the Constitution and by laws, I do hereby declare from this day that you have been discharged from your duties and responsibilities as 2024 Executive Officers, Board of Directors, Staff, and District Coordinators. Congratulations.
Thank you, Engineer Pete S. Villa. Laki pong hindi makaalis sa responsibilidad. Picture.
Picture.
And then
Picture
po
muna,
sa
picture muna.
camera. Smile po, smile.
Isa pa. 1, 2. Okay.
Your contributions have made a significant impact, and we are grateful for your service. Thank you to our outgoing officers for your commitment and leadership. Again, let's give them a round of applause for everything they have done for IIEE Yatu Chapter. Parang, parang nakawala po sa responsibilidad. Ibalik. Yes. Again, thank you to our outgoing officers for your commitment and leadership. Now, in an association, no other ceremony is as important as that of installing the elected leaders. For those who will be installed, it is a visible demonstration of their commitment and dedication to the organization. Those of us who will witness this event also play an important role in the ceremony because we too will demonstrate our commitment to support and encourage our leaders on the coming year. At this juncture, I would like to call on the 2021 Chapter President, Engineer Rolando P. Panganiban, for the presentation of 2025 new set of officers. Let's give him a round of applause, please.
Thank you, MC. And now for the presentation of 2025 chapter officers. Let's start with the executive officers. Joseph Alan O. Bautista, PEE, President. S. Madarcos, RPE, VP for Internal Affairs. Thomas Paul I. Torres, PE, VP for External Affairs. I think this is
Yung mga bumalik.
followed by Apolonio P. Perrina, Jr., PE, Internal Affairs. Our Secretary, Marcelina E. Rutilas,
Sexy!
the Chapter Treasurer, Renato M. Austria, P. Auditor, Kenneth Jan B. Torres, RME. And the Board of Directors, Sunny Moore, G. Bautista, joining us in the